Μάρκος, είμαι στην Intertrack από το 2004. Είμαι εδώ στην αποθήκη για όλες τις δουλειές που χρειάζονται εδώ στην αποθήκη του Καλχώρη και εύχομαι το 2013 να είναι μια καλή χρονιά για όλους του κόσμου και για την εταιρεία και για εμάς. Σας ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Λέγομαι Δημήτρης Παπαντρεταφύλου, ήρθα στην αποθήκη πριν 1,5 χρόνο. Ήρθα με ένα όραμα να γίνω διευθυντής στην αποθήκη. Δεν τα κατάφερα μέχρι τώρα. Ελπίζω ότι κάποια στιγμή θα τα καταφέρω και θα γίνω διευθυντής. Τέλος πάντων, καλή χρονιά εύχομαι σε όλους και στην επιχείρηση να πάει καλά.
Good day to you, everybody. This is Budapest, Hungary, and we are now going to the office of Intertrack Budapest. This is our street. Be careful, there is a train here. Anya, vedd légy színészét. Székely Elek Street. On the right side you will see our office. Vedd a feliratot. Intertrack. Our warehouse is located in a big area which was previously used as a warehouse for furnitures. You can see the warehouse on the right side. And the end of the building is a small office for checking in for the drivers. They must give their papers CMRs here, and finally they will be unloaded these ramps. Now we will go back to the office. This is our office building. It is an old building from 1960s. But we like it very much.
Hi guys, my name is Andy. I am the member of the Hungarian team. I work for Intertrack for over 3 years now. I was the second person here after Botti. I am the dual person here. I do a lot of things, financial things, working under the accountancy, send reports and statements for the Greek office, make contact with the partners, do the truck checkings. I'm helping Magda and Betty also for in the unloadings, and I collect the CMRs with the help of Vula and so on. But if you know, if you need anything from our side, I'm always at your service. I feel myself very good in this job. I love very much what I do. I'm very good relationship with all the colleagues, and I have the best boss in the world. I feel comfort myself here both in humanly, professionally and financially. I can say that that I'm absolutely satisfied with my professional life. I like here and my plan is to go to pension from here. So because I planned my whole life here, I hope and also wish that this company will be minimum as much as successful in the future than it is now, with such good people than we have now. Kisses for everybody. Bye.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. I am Gergely Kinter from the Hungarian office. I am responsible for the Group H cargoes and the acquisition of new customers. I love to work here at Intertruck, especially on Saturdays. The morale of the company is very familiar, we have a lot of fun, but always the work is the first. I would like to take the opportunity to ask for a new chair at the office because I would like to stay at Intertruck for a long time. Thank you for your attention.
My name is Zoltán Bagdi, my friends call me Zoli. I work at the Budapest office of Intertruck with Boti, Andi and Gergő. I am working at a logistics company more than 10 years, mainly at our family run business, which has trucks and they transport in the Europe. But I have been working here for only 3 months. I'm just ending my probation time now, but I feel good being part of this group. I deal with organizing international and domestic transport too. I keep in contact with the client of the company and make new connections. I also participate in making invoices and other administrative tasks. I would like to work for Intertruck for a long time. I like the atmosphere of this company because everybody is friendly and helpful.
Hi everyone and welcome to Intertruck Bulgaria. This is our beautiful office. Now you will see my desk and Desi's desk. That is. We are almost in the end of the world, but the view from our balcony is really amazing. Now you will see. There is nothing around us, but in the summer it's really beautiful. Now let's see what do Marianne. Now I have the honor to present you our newest colleagues. This is Flanders. There is he or she, we are not sure about that still. She is always ready to listen about your problems and never is in opposition of you. That was our small team. Say bye, Flanders. Bye.
And now I am very proud to introduce my 2 colleagues here, the most beautiful girls in the world. Miss Ina.
Hi.
And Miss Desi.
Hello.
Say something to our friends now, Ina.
I want to say to our friends that I really love my job because we have a really great team, not only here in Bulgaria, but all international team. No matter how many problems we have and how often we make angry one each other, we always can find a few minutes to laughing together. So I hope to enjoy tonight, all of us. So bye bye.
And now it's your turn, Desi.
Hello to everyone. First I want to say thank you to Mr. George and Mr. Lenin for the opportunity to work for them. At the beginning it was a big step for me. Now every day I'm trying to do all my best for the company. Not only me, Ina, also Marian too, who is behind the camera now. This year we will try to make Intertrack the best forwarding company in Bulgaria. First, I want to wish for the new year to Mr. George and Ms. Eleni happiness and all the health in the world and successful business, of course. To our colleagues from Greece, the other colleagues, and from Budapest, from Macedonia, all the best wishes and see you next week in Thessaloniki. Bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Tomo Badev and I'm 31 years old. I started to work in Intertrack before 5 months. I want to thank everyone in Intertrack for helping me and supporting me to learn this business. Also, I want to wish you Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Wish you lots of love, success and happiness in new 2013. My best regards to all of you.